Cathie Wood is the founder and CEO of ARK Invest, an investment management firm focused on disruptive innovation. She manages nearly $25 billion in assets across multiple ETFs and mutual funds. Wood has been in the investment business for over 40 years, starting her career at Capital Group in the late 1970s. Her first project there involved researching the implications of Hong Kong's handover to China in 1997, which sparked her interest in long-term investing and global trends. Wood's passion for investing was ignited in college when she met economist Art Laffer. This led to her first job in the industry, where she was determined to prove herself. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Wood witnessed the rise of active management and style investing. Her approach has always been focused on innovation and identifying transformative technologies early. ARK Invest takes a unique top-down approach to investing, centered around Wright's law. This principle states that for every cumulative doubling in production of a technology, costs tend to decline by a consistent percentage. Wood's team applies this concept to various emerging technologies to project cost declines and adoption rates. They look for inflection points where falling costs will open up new markets, especially among consumers. Wood emphasizes a 5-year investment horizon, which allows ARK to invest in companies that may be unprofitable now but have significant growth potential. She believes many investors are too focused on short-term results and momentum, missing out on transformative long-term opportunities. ARK's strategies tend to be more volatile than traditional investments, which Wood likens to venture capital in public markets. Wood sees the potential for deflation in the coming years, which she believes most people are unprepared for. She points to factors like falling prices in various sectors, from fast food to luxury goods. She argues that innovation is inherently deflationary as it drives down costs and improves efficiency. She expects this trend to accelerate across multiple industries. Regarding the stock market, Wood believes there's been excessive concentration in a handful of large tech companies called the Magnificent Seven. She draws parallels to the market concentration seen during the Great Depression, suggesting a broader market rally may follow as innovation proliferates beyond just a few dominant players. Wood is concerned about the impact of rising interest rates on various sectors, particularly real estate. She sees trouble brewing in private equity investments in multifamily housing, which were highly leveraged during the low interest rate environment. However, she's optimistic about the potential for innovation-driven growth to help address issues like the national debt. Wood is highly bullish on Bitcoin, with a base case price target of $650,000 and a bull case of $1.5 million by 2030. She sees Bitcoin as a new asset class and monetary system, as well as an important technology. She believes Bitcoin has reached escape velocity and can't be shut down. ARK has been a long-time supporter of Tesla. Wood sees the company as a leader in multiple innovative fields beyond just electric vehicles, including autonomous driving and artificial intelligence. She believes Tesla's robotaxi potential is particularly significant. Wood sees AI as one of the most transformative technologies, with rapidly falling costs driving widespread adoption. She expects AI to have profound impacts across various industries, particularly in healthcare. Wood cautions that ARK strategies should typically be a small part of an investor's overall portfolio due to their volatility. She emphasizes the importance of having a long-term perspective and being prepared for significant drawdowns. She advises taking profits and rebalancing during strong periods to better withstand the inevitable corrections. Faith plays a central role in Wood's life and was a key factor in her decision to start ARK Invest. She sees her work as part of the new creation and believes in the importance of allocating capital to future-oriented innovations rather than just passively tracking the market. Wood is a mother of 3 and considers having children one of the most transformative experiences of her life. She encourages travel and exposing children to different parts of the world to broaden their perspectives. Wood acknowledges that ARK's strategies have faced significant volatility and criticism, particularly during market downturns. She maintains a thick skin and tries to focus on constructive feedback from those doing substantive research. She emphasizes the importance of understanding ARK's long-term approach and unique methodology when evaluating their performance. Wood sees the current housing market as stuck due to high interest rates and affordability issues. She notes that many of her analysts find renting more financially sensible than buying in the current environment. Regarding the middle class, Wood believes they have more power than they realize to influence prices and corporate behavior through their purchasing decisions. Wood doesn't believe the government can indefinitely prop up the stock market through monetary policy. She argues that government spending ultimately equates to taxation, either through direct taxes, inflation, or spending cuts. She hopes that innovation-driven growth can help address fiscal challenges without resorting to higher taxes or inflation. When asked if it's an individual's fault if they're poor in America between ages 25 to 50, Wood emphasizes America's role as a land of opportunity while acknowledging that some people face very challenging starting circumstances. She stresses the importance of seeking out mentors, getting into virtuous cycles, and taking advantage of educational opportunities. She has started a foundation to bring ARK's research on innovation into middle school curricula to inspire students and help them prepare for the future economy. Wood focuses more on how market volatility affects ARK's clients rather than her personal net worth. She emphasizes the importance of educating investors about the nature of ARK's strategies and preparing them for significant swings. She credits her upbringing and early savings habits for giving her the financial stability to take risks and start her own business. Throughout the interview, Wood emphasizes the unprecedented convergence of multiple innovative technologies that she believes will drive significant economic growth and transformation in the coming years. She encourages investors and individuals to position themselves on the right side of change to benefit from these trends. While acknowledging the challenges and volatility inherent in investing in disruptive innovation, Wood remains optimistic about the long-term potential for these technologies to create value and solve global problems.